Hello and welcome back. In this episode, we will continue exploring our general workflow. In the last videos, we already covered the diagnostic for the data. We estimated, make an estimation for the parameter from the type curve and also from the flowing material balance. So now the next step is to create analytical model or creating a model, either analytical or numerical. How we can do this? Yeah, so let's pick up. So from here, from new worksheet, vertical, oil, edit oil reservoir as we know, and then we can go to analytical. Okay, so as you can see here, we have 4 different windows. What these windows represent for, the first one, which is here, is showing like a schematic for the well location and reservoir dimension, and will be activated once we populate the data. The second one will be placing game. Here it's a placing game type curve. The third one is the history matching plot. Okay, and very important while we're doing the history matching, the fourth one showing the derivative and the normalized pressure. Okay, so we have here this first little icon, which is default. Just I click on it, I will have options to populate this data from the type curve matching. So what I need here to populating from placing game vertical, you can choose a garden, whatever the method you are preferring. Okay, as you can see here, we have like well location and like supposedly that we have rectangle or square drainage area. So here, what is that mean is like making a regression to make a history matching, either by sending the pressure, sending the rate, and then calculating the pressure. If I click on the rate, so it will sending the pressure to calculate the rate, and this option to calculate both depending on the model. If we found like a mismatch in the L region, so most likely we have uncertainty in skin and permeability, so we need to check them to include in the history matching parameter. And if we found like a mismatch in the late period, so it's representing the boundary dominated flow mismatching, so I need to open the uncertainty for the boundaries itself. So that's like an intuition before we do the history matching. I will keep it as a rate and then click on this automatic parameter estimation by activating also S and K. I can maximize this history matching by click on this icon and then click on this icon here. And as you can see, the software trying to predicting the rate by sensitizing the rate and sending the pressure. And I can come here and see we have some kind of good match in the early time, but actually is very bad in the late time. So what does it mean? This means that I'm okay with the skin and the K, but we have some problems with the boundaries itself. So I can check the boundaries again, and let's give the software the chance to regression over the data. So I will not do it now because in just the demonstration for the general workflow, also after the matching, you will have here the derivative and you can check with. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, please like, share, and subscribe. See you later.